How to put maximum reviews in the product page in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify store and our website and make sure that you are logged in into your account. And once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the apps and then click the add button. So just click that and then click the Shopify App Store. Once you do that, you will be redirected into this part. And then on the search bar, search for AliExpress reviews, which is right here. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here and click this app right here. So make sure that you choose this app right there. And then once you do that, click the install button. So once you click the install button right there, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, click the install button again. So while we are waiting, currently Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box or the pinned comment down below and then click the link right there. And then once you do that, of course, you will be redirected into this page. And then, of course, you can choose whether you want to acquire the basic, the grow, or the advanced plan. So going back into our video, once we are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click get started. And then once we are now here, you will see that we have here subscription plans. So we have here the Super Saiyan, and Super. We're in for $50. You will have an unlimited reviews right here. So of course, if you can do that, you can avail that right there. And then for this Super Saiyan plan, you will have 1,500 reviews. And then for the Super, you will have 150 reviews. However, if you only want to use the free version, then you will only have about 10 reviews in your product. So once you do that, of course, let's just choose the free right here. So just click get started. And then once you're now here, if you want to customize your brand, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click next again. And then if you want to customize your review widget, it's also up to you, but I will also just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click next. For the store theme, all you have to do is to just choose your theme right there and then select a page to add the review box. So I'm going to click, of course, the product page. And then what we're going to do is to click add review box right there. And then once it is done, just click got it and then click save. And then once it is done, let's go back right here and then click finish. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click import reviews right there and then click get reviews. And then just choose your platform right here. But since I'm using AliExpress, I'm going to choose this. So click that one and then click install Codacy extension. And then click get extension, click allow, add extension. Then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do, just head to the product that you want to use. So since I'm using a t-shirt, I'm going to search for t-shirt right here. And then let's say, for example, that we want to use this one right here. Once you're now here, just click import reviews in this part. And then just click your t-shirt right here. And then click scan reviews. And then once it is done, I just click import for reviews right there. And then as you can see, we now have imported 4 reviews right here. And then just click publish all reviews right there so that your customers will not be able to see the reviews on your Shopify store. And then if you go back into this part, if you go here on the online store and then click customize and then go here on your product, as you can see, we now have imported reviews in our Shopify store. So if you want to add a maximum reviews, all you have to do is to import it right here. And then they will be shown in this part. So that is basically it. That is how to put maximum reviews in the product in Shopify.